Hello, dear listeners. Welcome aboard to the third episode of JBGS Talks. I am Kamya, your pilot for today's journey through the skies. And joining me in the cockpit is my co pilot, Jagrat.
Hey everyone, fasten your seatbelts because we're about to take off into something monumental happening right above our heads in the Indian skies. Can you feel the excitement? Imagine this two giants, both with legacies of their own, coming together to create something new. Something that could dominate the skies, not just in India, but globally. What do you think this could be?
If you are thinking about the Air India and Vistara merger, you've guessed it right. Today's story is one for the books, a moment that's about to change the course of aviation history. Before we move forward, don't forget
Like to encourage, share to appreciate, and subscribe to get inspired.
What happens when these two powerhouses decide to join forces? Is it a simple takeover or something else entirely? Before we answer that, let's make sure we're all on the same page. Jagrat, have you ever wondered what exactly a merger is? How is it different from an acquisition?
I've always been curious about that. What's the difference?
Well, imagine two companies, each with its strengths, deciding to come together as equals to create something stronger. For instance, Z Entertainment and Sony India, Vodafone and Idea. That's a merger. It's like combining the best of both worlds to tackle new challenges. And that's exactly what's happening here. Vistara, with its premium service, and Air India, with its vast network, are merging to create an airline powerhouse.
Wow, so this is more than just a handshake, it's a fusion of strengths.
Exactly. But I wonder, why now? Why this merger?
Good question. But first, let's take a step back and unravel the stories behind these giants. After all, every great story has an origin, right?
Absolutely.
Let's start with the elder of the two. This airline was founded in 1932 by none other than J.R.D. Tata, initially flying under the name Tata Airlines. It became a national treasure, literally, when it was nationalized in 1953 and rebranded with a name that many of you will instantly recognize. Any guesses yet?
Hmm, there's a clue. It's known as the Maharaja of the Skies. Yes, you guessed it. Air India, a proud flag carrier of India, but one that's had its fair share of turbulence over the years.
And then we have the younger, more vibrant contender. Launched in 2015, this airline quickly earned a reputation for its premium service, becoming a favorite for those who value a touch of class in their travels. What's its name, listeners?
I see some of you mouthing it already. It's Vistara, of course, a partnership between Tata Sons and Singapore Airlines, bringing a breath of fresh air to the Indian aviation landscape.
Back to your question, Kamya. Why this merger? The Tata Group, which reacquired Air India in 2022, saw an opportunity. By merging Vistara and Air India, they aim to create a stronger entity that can compete not just within India, but on the global stage. Think about it. More competitive pricing, better services, and a brand that's ready to soar across international skies. And by 2024, the Vistara brand will bid us farewell, with all its aircraft flying under the Air India banner. It's a bittersweet moment, isn't it?
It is, but remember, this isn't just a goodbye. It's the beginning of a new chapter. Singapore Airlines will still hold a 25% stake, investing heavily in this deal, ensuring that the legacy of Vistara lives on in this new and improved Air India.
So, what does this mean for the aviation industry? It's a game changer, right?
Absolutely. This merger could make Air India the largest international carrier and the second largest domestic carrier in India. It's a bold move that's likely to shake up the global aviation industry, forcing others to rethink their strategies.
But with such a massive merger, surely there are challenges ahead, right?
Definitely, merging cultures, operations, and expectations will be no easy feat. But if they succeed, the rewards will be immense, a true game changer in the skies.
And that, dear listeners, is the story of two giants merging to create a force to be reckoned with. What do you think? Will this be the start of a new era in aviation?
We'd love to hear your thoughts. Keep your eyes on the skies and your ears tuned to JPGS Talks as we continue to explore the stories that shape our world. Until next time, happy flying. And don't forget,
Like to encourage, share to appreciate, and subscribe to get inspired.